Hello everybody, it's Debbie with Cool Cats Art. Welcome to my channel. I'm continuing cloud pours, and as a matter of fact, I'm going to use the exact same palette that I used on my 12 by 16 video that I did before this one. And I'll put those colors in the description box as well, but I'm using Master's Touch Thick Bodied Acrylic Red Light. I'm using Master's Touch Thick Bodied Acrylic Magenta, Liquitex Primary Yellow. These are all tube paints. I'm using a combination of Amsterdam Gold Yellow mixed with Master's Touch Light Coral 50/50. And then for the center, which I wanted to be dark, I took the magenta and added a little bit of black to it to make a really, really dark center, because I want some dark in the center of this cloud pour. Okay, I'm going to layer up my cup, and while I do that, I'm going to fast forward this video so you don't have to watch me painstakingly do all that. I'll be back in a jiff. Okay, I have the cup all layered up now. It takes 6 ounces approximately of paint on this 12 by 12 canvas. So this was an 8-ounce cup. I just filled it up a little shy of the 8 ounces. We should have plenty. And that has pretty much used up all the rest of my paint too, which is what I was wanting to do. So that would be good. Okay, I'm going to spread a little bit of flow paint around. We'll make a small puddle of paint in the middle, not large. Now let's do our pour. Once again, this is an extremely vivid color palette here. Vivid color palette. I'm going to put a little flow paint around the edge. That's looking pretty good. I think we can start to do a little tilt on it here. I'm just kind of swirling it round and round as it is, kind of like if I had it on the spinner, which I'm thinking I'm probably going to put it on the spinner. It's flowing very well on the canvas. It's moving around really good. I'm gonna go ahead and come off with this corner over here since I'm here. And I want to bring that back. I really don't want to lose a lot of this really pretty pink at the bottom down here. And then I'm going to come off of this corner up here. Perfect. Now I'm going to bring it all back down to the center again. I want to try to kind of keep that darker center sort of in the center. And I need to come off of this corner over here. Okay, now let's bring it back again. This is looking really nice. I'm digging it. A lot of cloudy stuff going on in this one. That's great. If I can get off this one other corner up here, that'll be great. Kind of having to do a little bit of a hard tilt on it here to get there. Almost. I might have to bring this all back down again. There we go. That's good enough. Now let's get this. This is so pretty. Let's get this centered up a little bit better again. This is really nice though, I'm loving it. It's moving, just slowly. I just want to bring that dark down just a little bit further. I think that's going to be good right there. I've got a little bit exposed on the corners here, so I'm going to just take some of these drippings. Just put a little bit on the corners.
Ah, there you are.
Here I am.
Now you're pouring some nice orange pours.
My husband just entered the scene. He's come down to check on me and see how I'm doing. Yeah, I'm filming, but that's cool. I like this color palette. How about you? You like it, Al?
Yeah.
Look at this one over here, the small one. I like it even better than that other one over there.
Good contrast.
I know, I'm loving the contrast. Isn't that great?
They're holding detail real well.
That may be one of my best ones. Okay, so for my YouTube audience, I'm going to bring you down and let you take a little closer look at this. Let me get these painty gloves off, but yeah, I really, really like that. Okay, let's come down. Here we go. Yeah, how about that? Loads of beautiful puffy clouds. Lot of nice color and contrast going on in that. Yes, I really do love this little cloud pour. There it is, wet. Hopefully it'll dry up just beautifully. Well, thank you for joining me, and please stay tuned. There will be more. Bye-bye.